Okay, Afsar. So just before we go, motorway, which lane do we drive on?
Left.
Always, yeah? What's the other lanes for?
Overtaking.
So always remember, you always drive on the left lane unless you need to change lane or you need to overtake someone in front. Other than that, you always drive where? On the left lane. If you do go to the other lanes because you are overtaking someone, what do? As soon as you are overtaken, your next aim is to
Move back.
come back to the left lane. Okay, so your aim is to drive in the left lane. For any reason you go to the other lane, middle or the third, you always need to come back to your lane again soon as it's free. Okay, so once it's safe and free for you to come back, you must come back to your lane again, because your normal driving lane, the default for you to drive on the motorway is the left lane. Okay, what is the national speed limit on the motorway? 70. Okay, unless the road signs
Says otherwise.
tells you otherwise. Okay, it's always 70 unless it tells you otherwise, meaning there could be road work or something and the speed is reduced to maybe 60, maybe 50, other than 70. Okay, unless it tells you otherwise, it's always 70. Okay, now do you have to drive 70?
No.
If it's safe,
Then yeah,
you drive 70. You can't do 50 if it's safe, can you?
No.
Because that would be dangerous. It is dangerous for you to drive more than 70 as well as too less. So if the road is safe, meaning the motorway is safe for you to do 70 and you are only doing 50, it's also dangerous, isn't it? Why? Because you're causing problem for the car behind. What, they can't go 70, can they? And they need to drive in the left lane, and because of you they need to change lane, and because of that it could be problem for others. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready, Afsar?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, at the end, you know where to go. I'm not telling you because you already passed your test. You know, we're going to go left, yeah? I'm going to give you the direction because you don't know which way, but you just drive by yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
So here we go. After this roundabout, we are joining motorway. You ready, Afsar?
Yeah.
Okay. It is raining, so be careful. We're going to drive. Okay. We're going to follow M3, yeah? Okay. Now we're going to join, okay? You're going to find a slip road, and we're going to, from the slip road, we need to join, okay? So what's the slip road?
Merge into lane.
Joining lane and leaving lane.
Yeah.
That's the slip road. In this case, we have a slip road, and from that, we're going to join. So for you to join, what do you have to do in this slip road?
Pick up your
Match
speed.
it. Match the speed with the motorway, or they will catch up quickly, yeah? You need to signal. Okay, look at the front, what they're doing. And you're going to look over there. Anyone there?
No.
Okay. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, good. Keep the distance from. Excellent. So what's the distance?
4 seconds.
4 seconds. So keep it more. That's it. That's good. So that's the motorway. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Feeling good, Afsar?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this road markings? Slip road, yeah?
Slip
It's
road.
telling you you're not going that way. You are going, following what? M3.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, good. What's the speed here?
70.
Good. Keep the distance from the car in front. Okay, good. So what lane do we need?
Left.
Okay. So what are you going to do now? So stay where you are. You put the signal on and stay where you are. And before you go, excellent. Nice. Okay. This dotted line means
Slip road.
you're not going off.
No.
Yeah? And that's it. Good. So that's the left. How many lanes do you have?
3.
3 lanes. Which lane do you drive on?
Left.
Left lane. If the car in front is not doing 70, which means what can you do?
You can overtake.
And then
And then
come back to your lane again. So you always drive on the left. For any reason you change lane because the car in front is not going 70 and you could do 70, you could go to the other lane, come back. And how do you change lane? Mirror, mirror, signal blind spot change, and then do the same coming back. What's the car in front doing?
Brake.
Okay, what can you do now? Mirror, mirror. We're going to change lane, yeah? Anyone there? Good. That's fine. And you're going to do here 70, okay? You're doing 60 now. So the reason you're overtaking, they are not doing 70.
Yeah.
And you could do 70 by, this is why we have the other lanes, okay? So as soon as it's free, once you free and you could come back to your lane, what do you do?
Come
Come
back.
back. That's good. No more than? Okay, good. And after this car, what are you going to do?
Come back.
Okay, that's good. It's dead on 70. That's brilliant. Okay. And it's raining as well, heavy rain, so as soon as you come here, what are you going to do now? Stay where you are. Mirror then. And then good. And now what? Excellent. Car in front. Okay, good. In the middle of your lane, okay?
Yeah.
Can you see the studs?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Red.
Okay, so what's red for?
Red hard shoulder.
Difference between the hard shoulder and the first lane, you have
Red.
What color here? Green.
Green.
What's green?
It's between slip road and left.
Yep. So between slip road and the motorway, it's green. Okay. And what color is the lane?
White.
White. And what color is at the end?
Yellow. Amber.
Amber. Yeah. Good. So now we know red is between hard shoulder and the motorway. Car in front. Make sure the distance. Okay. So that's the red between hard shoulder and the motorway, and then in between the lanes is white, and then at the end where the motorway finishes, meaning the last lane and the barrier in the middle, is amber. Okay, what can you do? There's a car, yeah? It's good. It's good. Keep the distance from the car in front. Okay. Keep the distance from the car in front. That's good. Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Look at the front, keep the distance. Okay, make sure you could, when you do look over there, make sure you know where the car is going.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Because the motorway, you don't have, it's high speed, and one little mistake, it could be a big problem. So make sure the car doesn't move and you control the car. Can you change lane?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. So why did we change lane?
Because they're going below.
They're not going 70. Okay, that's good. So that's good. And now, if they don't go 70, what can you do?
Go side.
And then you come by one, yeah? But you're okay now. Okay. Also, it's raining, so you want to be careful, okay?
Yeah.
First, you're on a big lesson after the pass your test. Motorway is raining. Good challenge. Good experience. These marker, that marker there, is one there, isn't it?
Yeah.
What are they for?
For like exiting.
Telling you how far the exit is. Okay?
Yeah.
So you have 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
3 is, how far is the 3?
300.
300 yard, and then 200, and then 100. So if you're going to come off, when should you signal?
That's 300 yards.
300 yard, yeah? Telling everyone that you're coming off, and you know 300, 200, 100, you go off. You're okay staying in that lane. You're okay. That's fine. You're okay. Just stay where you are, because that's good. That's good. 70. That's good. And also here, you're only doing 65, yeah?
Yeah.
So stay in that lane, and after the van, what can you do? Or lorry?
Then
You come
go.
back, yeah?
Yeah.
So it's best to stay here. There's no point going in, coming out, because you know over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Feeling good, Afsan?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Both hands, and make sure you focus. Okay. That's good. Stay in the middle of your lane, okay? That's good. Okay. speed a little bit more. Yep, that's it. Stay where you are. What's the van doing? That's good. Did you see that? Make the distance. Make the distance. Okay. Okay. And then after that, you come back to your lane, yeah?
Yeah.
So slowly. Maybe wait for the van as well. Let's see what the van is doing. Okay. Yep. Stay where you are. That's good. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. That's good. That's good. And maybe after the van, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. What's the speed now?
50.
50, good. So whenever free, come back to your lane again. Whenever you are, stay where you are. And after this car, come back to your lane, yeah? Okay. Okay. Okay, stay where you are. And stay there. And then before you come, what do you do? Good. And then? Good. So speed here is now? 50. So remember we spoke about the default on a motorway national speed limit is 70 unless the road marking or road sign tells you otherwise. In this case now it's 50.
Yeah.
Okay, why? Because of the road workers, everything, yeah? That's good. So it's the road works, and because of that it's 50, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so what if you have a problem with your car on a motorway? What do you do?
Go into the hard shoulder.
Go to the,
Hard shoulder.
yep, and look for help, yeah?
Yeah.
You know those pillars, those little, what are they for, those?
For like your location, like where you are.
Yeah. So if your car breaks down, when you call for help, you know, your breakdown service provider, you call them and you give them the number where you are, and those posts will have the number, yeah?
Number.
Yeah. And also tells you the earliest where the phone is. What's the sign saying now?
National speed.
Okay, so stay where you are. That's it. It tells you the nearest phone. On the post, you'll see the number and it tells you the arrow which way the nearest phone is.
Yeah.
So if you have a mobile, obviously you're going to call from your mobile. If not, you find the local phone on the motorway, yeah? Hi, if you are learning to drive or you are training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you. So if you're a learner, we have an online course for you for manual and automatic. And if you're training to become a driving instructor, we have an online course for you for your ADI Part 2 and ADI Part 3. Please check the description for the links of the courses. Have a look and have a read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Okay. So regards to motorway, number one, make sure you know that you always drive on the left lane. Yeah. If you do need to change lane because the car in front is not going 70 because there are problem, what do? Change by looking at the mirror, signal, and then blind spot.
Yeah.
And then change. And then after you've overtaken the car, when it's free and it's safe, what do?
Come back to the
Come back. And how do you do that? Mirror, signal, blind spot, and come back. Yeah, that's one. The other one is we know the marker. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you need to come off, you'll have 3 marker, 2 marker, 1 marker. 3 is how far? 300 yard.
Yeah.
200 yard and 100 yard. It's good. That's brilliant, Afsar. Good. No more then? That's good. they're going 70. What do you do now? Yeah, good. How do we know? Because you can see our speed 70. They're doing 70. Yeah, that's good. So we know the marker 3, 2, 1, 300, 200, 100.
Yeah.
And when do you signal? On 300. Good. And the studs, red is hard shoulder.
Yeah.
White is lanes, and amber is the end, and the green is
Slip road.
slip road. If you do break down or any problem, hard shoulder,
Yeah.
and go for help. Those lampposts will have the number where you are. Okay. That's good. Now you know Afsar, yeah? Afsar is getting good. So that's Motorway. I highly recommend for you to, maybe if you're a bit nervous driving on high speed, after you pass, maybe have a lesson with the driving instructor, okay? Or take a family member with you on your first day, just to build that confidence. Because remember, you've never driven before, and if you did drive with your driving instructor, you haven't done it after you pass. So maybe best to have a lesson on the motorway, just to be used to it, just to get used to it, okay? I hope the video helps. If you need extra help on learn to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives you everything you need. The course will give you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. The course has everything you need. I will leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.